So, how to fix Instagram mention in story problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's video, this is what I'm gonna show you how to fix. First thing you wanna do is open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps and go to the Instagram app. Now, this is the app informations. On this page, you will find all the settings about Instagram app. Or what you wanna do is click on the storage and clear all those options. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage, click on the app launch and disable this manage automatically option and click OK. After that, click on this force stop right here to stop the power analysis like the CPU usage time and the CPU time used and the GPS. And that's it guys. Now restart your phone and it must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.